Today is testimony to our commitment to building the capacity of persons in the region so that our children can benefit from quality education. When I understand and see all of the hard work of the coordinators, whether it is through supporting their ELP coordinators, principals, and all those they interact with very little resources and how they have to make magic to make things happen, I am very proud of that group in the region who can be leading in such a confident way, who have maintained a passion for what they do in spite of it all.
And I know that I speak for our entire project implementation team that I tell you that you've become more than clients to us. You've become trusted, valued professional colleagues. And we just always think of you with such fondness, and it's because of your commitment and your talent and your dedication to education that we speak of you that way. It gives me great pleasure this evening to recognize each of you as a graduate intern in literacy leadership, and to tell you that for us it's a mere confirmation. You have all in your own special ways contributed so immensely to the Early Learners Program. We know that you are true advocates for change. We know that you know what you need, and you know what to ask for to make change. And we know above all that you have tremendous technical expertise that will serve your countries well.